Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one, we'll be trying to use the synthetic division method in order to evaluate this polynomial over this common factor. So let's have a look here. So how we're going to present this example? Well, first thing you need to know is that the x minus 2 represents the factor x equals 2. Well, I can't call it a factor because we don't know if there's going to be no remainders or not. But that's not the big deal here. So let's present this. So using x equals 2, we're going to pop a 2 over here. So I want you guys to copy this explicitly, yeah? This is going to be the number where we're going to multiply the difference of the coefficients with our result, as you will see. The next thing I want you guys to write is the coefficients of all this cubic polynomial. So let's write over here. So here you should have 3 minus 4 1 from the 1x and the negative 2. So all of this comes from here, the coefficients, yeah? Now, the next thing I want you guys to do is to draw a straight line and leave a gap below these constants. So let's say around here. So this is where you're going to fill out some other digits, okay? Now, what else? So the first thing you want to do, and this is very specific, is to drop the 3 down here. Why? Because we know that the terms here, well, we don't know, that the terms here represent a single power down. So this 3 represents the x squared coefficient. The figure we're going to put here would be the x coefficient, and the figure here would be the constant. That means this figure here is going to be the remainder. Okay? So this is literally the game plan. Now what do we do? So what we need to do is figure out the figures here, here, and here. So the first thing we want to do is use this 2 and multiply against 3. So the next thing I want you guys to do is draw an arrow here and say 3 times 2, which will give us 6, and then draw two huge brackets around it and put a plus sign. Now we got minus 4, add 6, which will give us a nice 2, and then repeat the method. Draw an arrow across, so 2 times 2 will give us 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Draw an arrow across, 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And lastly, minus 2 add 10 is 8. And that's it. Now all we do is literally attach the terms in front of it. So, as I said, this term here represented the coefficient of x squared. This represented the coefficient of x. And this is the constant, which is like this. So hence, we can say that the final solution for this function, once you divide it, will be given to be 3x squared plus 2x plus 5, and then finally plus, and then this is very specific, 8 over, the remainder is always 8 over whatever your term is, x minus 2. And that's it, guys. That's literally how you do synthetic division. I mean, not so bad really, is it? And yeah, so other than that, I hope this video helped, and I shall see you guys down the road. And that's it. Take care and ciao.